Look at this volume, this length, this definition. This is a braid out on blown out hair, and it's so much easier than it looks. I braid a hair up after the blowout, leave it in for the school week to protect all that length and moisture, and this is what comes out at the end. So fluffy and defined. And the takedown, that's where the magic happens. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, and the best part is the foundation of many other styles too. Let me show you. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. If you missed my last video, go and check it out. That's where I show you my daughter's full blowout process, the products I use, how I stretch her hair safely on low heat. I've linked it in the iCards above. Definitely check it out. This video is all about what comes after, how I style the blowout into a braid out step by step, nice and simple. Before I show you how I do this, if you're watching and thinking, I want my daughter's hair to get to this point, that starts with understanding why her hair isn't retaining length and reaching its full potential yet. I have a free masterclass that walks you through exactly that. Link is in the description. Go and save your seats. Okay, let's do this. So as you can see, I'm working in sections. I'm braiding each section all the way down, nice and neat, making sure they're all going in the same direction, and I'm not borrowing any hair for easier takedown. Okay, so here's the first thing I want you to notice. After the blowout, I'm not adding any extra products. The hair already has the leave-in and pink oil lotion from the blowout from the previous video. That's all it needs going into braids. The only thing I add is a tiny bit of pink oil lotion at the ends, and then I braid it down. Just the ends, and that's it. Now the size of your braids will affect your results. So for example, bigger braids equals bigger, softer waves. Smaller braids equals more defined, tighter waves. I go somewhere in the middle, just for personal preference. Now, how long you keep these braids in matters too. I personally like to keep them in for a full week for better definition. And while the braids are in throughout the week, she sleeps in her satin scarf every night. I don't re-moisturize or anything like that. That protects the hair and keeps the moisture in. Simple, but so important. Okay, now the part I love, taking the braids down. I do this slowly, individually, and I'm not rushing. I'm not ripping through the hair. I'm taking my time. You take each braid out gently. And I separate it, but I don't separate it all the way to the ends, just enough to give it volume. Use my fingers to fluff the roots. No tools, no picks, no combs, just my fingers. And that's where the volume really comes from. Working the roots gently with your fingers. Now look at the result. That is what stretched, healthy, moisturized hair looks like. I only keep the braid out as a style for 2 days or so. So basically the weekend, and then I braid it back for the school week. Now I want to show you something, because I said this braid out is the foundation of many other styles. Watch what happens when I just pull it up. High ponytail, just like that. Same hair, two completely different looks. And there are so many other styles you can create from a braid out. That's why I love it so much. Now imagine this being your daughter's hair, that volume, that length, that confidence when she sees herself. If right now you're thinking, I don't even know where to start, that's exactly why I created my free masterclass. I'm going to show you the real reason your little one's hair isn't growing and the 5-step system that finally changes that. This is the starting point, mama. Link is in the description. Grab your free seat now. All right, mama, your daughter deserves to love her hair, and you can be the one who makes that happen. I'll see you in the masterclass. Take care.